Today I'm going to show you how to make a pyramid activity feeder for your cat. All you're going to need to do this is some PVA glue, which is quite safe to use in the enrichment for the cats once it's dry. Just make sure you don't use it till the glue's dry, and some cardboard tubes from the inside of toilet rolls. So I've got 15 here because that gives you a good sized pyramid. So to start with, what we're going to do is just glue down the side and start sticking these toilet rolls together. So for the bottom layer, I like to do 5 toilet rolls. Five gives you a good sized base as well. They don't tend to be able to tip it over quite so easily. So for the next layer, I'm just going to glue 2 strips about an inch apart, and then sit the tube on top of 2 of the base ones like that, and then continue all the way down for the second row. And then exactly the same thing for the third row. Okay, you can see it's starting to take shape now. And then finally the top one. There we go. So then you're probably going to want to leave that for about half an hour or an hour until the glue's completely dry and you can pick it up without it falling apart. Okay, so now it's all dry, we can put some of your pieces of your cat's kibble inside the tubes. And then the cat has to reach their paw in and actually drag the pieces of dry food out. So until your cats are used to using this kind of activity, you might need to use a little bit of extra encouragement, something nice and tasty. So you might need to just put a couple of greenies in, something high value, just to get them interested in using it to start with. And then once your cats are used to it, just pop a little bit of their daily ration of food in. There we go, so as you can see, he's putting his paw in to drag the pieces of biscuit out. So he has to sniff to find the pieces of food that he wants, and then he can put his paw in and drag the piece of food out so that he can reach it and eat it.